My name is K.THIRUPATHAMMA. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I completed my graduation in Rice Krishna Sai Gandhi Group of Institutions in the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering. I am a 2024 passed out. I joined in the Jspiders in a month of August as a Java full stack developer. There are many courses: Web Technology, Java, and Advanced Java SQL. My Web Technology is completed by Ms. Geeta ma'am, and my Core Java is completed by Ravi sir, and my Advanced Java is completed by Ravi sir. Then my SQL is completed by Karishma ma'am. So I completed with my complete Java full stack development course. In this, mainly they are focusing on student performance based on. They are conducting mock interviews. In the mock interviews, they are preparing the students to crack the main interview. So they are playing important role. And the grooming sessions also. In the grooming sessions, they are giving the prerequisites to the students. In the grooming session, they are giving the questions how to answer the questions and how to behave in front of HRs. So grooming sessions also important here.